Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update. After yesterday's big bullish move, we are quite bearish today. We were expecting a continuation day, as I was saying during the market forecast, but looks like we wanted something that it was not possible because economic data that we are going to see in a few minutes. Basically bad news to the market, and market is reacting to those bad news. The most significant thing that I'm seeing right now after lunch is that we are breaking last week lows. This is this dotted line in 10,890. We were more or less holding this, looking for maybe a reversal and maybe holding this 11,000, quite important pre-market low, but we were slowly grinding down. We were sideways consolidation, and then at 12, market looks like it's trying to reverse a little bit. This blue line, the EMA, is quite important. We are more or less holding it, but as I was saying, the markets don't want to push up. Initially at 8:30, we had retail sales month over month flat. That's good news. Less sales for retails means less profits and people spending less. So that's good for now for the Federal Reserve goal of cooling the economy. Import prices negative, export prices negative, retail sales excluding autos 0.1, slightly high. So year over year, quite the drop in the retail sales. And then at 10, as we can see in the graphs, at 10 we got this candle when we got the consumer sentiment on the preliminary inflation for October. So basically, news dropped and we had this. Michigan consumer sentiment 59.8, higher, better than expected consumer sentiment. So people are willing to spend more, and that's bad for the current Fed situation. Inventories high, okay, that's good. More stock, more inventories in the businesses. But Michigan inflation expectations way higher than expected. Current conditions other than expected. 5-year inflation expectations higher than expected. Consumer expectations preliminary. Well, at least that's way worse. But those are expectations, and this is sentiment. So basically, these inflation expectations, preliminary and 5-year inflation expectations, were the reason why we dropped. It is what it is. We tried to move higher, but I guess that's not possible. And well, right now what I'm seeing is maybe perhaps a little cool, but if we review what the tech giants are looking, let's go to the 5 minutes to maybe see have the better picture here. So we have Apple losing this pre-market low and coming into the base of this CPI news candle, maybe trying to cool a little bit, but EMA is quite far away. We are slowly consolidating down here. We maybe will see some kind of consolidation here to the upside. Perhaps, I don't know. We need to see something that looks like I was pointing out. Maybe this consolidation to the upside. Maybe we are going to see this. Microsoft also quite weak. Again, lower lows, lower highs, quite bearish. Amazon 3.30% to the downside, super weak. Look at this EMA just pointing directly down. Tesla 5.64% basically losing all yesterday's gain. Let's take a look to the daily, because this can be exactly a bearish engulfing candle, a red candle that is higher and lower than the previous bullish candle, and this is quite a hit. Google, well, Nvidia 5%, but look at Tesla, man. Holy moly. Well, apart from that, dollar still strong. It's holding 112 and 113. I was saying yesterday that we were rejecting this 114, but we held the 200 pink 200 moving average, and we are now pushing up. Regarding today, well, a strong dollar is something that we have to take into consideration a lot for next week, because starting today, banks are starting earnings. Next week is big banks reporting earnings, and a strong dollar, I think, is bad news for the market. Same thing for high yield corporate yields, holding. All the yields are up, 10 years up, 2 years up, and FTSE is pulling back a little bit. So, well, let's take a look at the overall picture here. So in the daily, the Nasdaq and the ES are pulling nasty rejection of these June lows. You can see we have this nice June low, but we are basically rejecting. Nasdaq is weaker than the ES, but well, we will see what happens at the end of the day. The day still is not over yet, so maybe we can see last week low holding. That's what I like to see. I would like to see that before market close. Well, crude oil minus 3%. This is big, really big. We were reporting over this. This is quite big. We were expecting a rejection and going lower 85. And I think that might happen. And natural gas, it's holding this move. I will keep this expectation. I think we are going to at least 6 after breaking down this ascending support and also the 200 moving average. So that's it. Let's see if power hour bring some bulls and some movement to the upside. But we have to be patient today, Friday. Be careful. So as always, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please smash that, click that like button and subscribe to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates like this one, and market recap. I appreciate your time and see you in a couple of hours with the market recap. And remember, the trading day is not over yet. Discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone. See you later.